Yo, what's poppin', y'all? It's Skull back at it with another reaction. Yes, sir. And here today, we got JUJUTSU Kaisen rap Sound Like Death by 954 Mari. Anybody else? Oh, let me check real quick. Nah, it's just this nigga by himself. This nigga about to fucking make me think. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment down below your thoughts on my reaction and your thoughts on Mari's song. So yeah, the reason I say this nigga about to make me think because this nigga be barring too much. Fuck this nigga. Anyway, let's get it. Oh. Ooh. Let's get it. That's his favorite shit.
Why does it sound like? Why does it sound like that?
Ooh.
How does it sound like? How does it sound like that? Don't it just sound like? Don't it just sound like that?
Okay.
Don't it just sound like? Don't it just sound like that? Lost in the sauce, never mind my step. Drum for the knock and it sound like that. Scared of the thoughts inside my head. Heart for the throb and it sound like that.
Yeah.
Doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like that. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like that. Damn man, walk.
Hold on, first of all, that hook was, yo, simple as shit, effective as shit. Nah, this nigga, yo, yo, that shit was, nigga, I was turning up, bro. Nah, let's keep going, bro. This shit is fire.
Dead man talking, you speaking your eulogy. Dead's in my pockets, they itching to kill for. I got the Celtic muff like Lil Bo. Don't got no
Lil Bo. And I got the Celtic, you know what I'm saying? And writing your eulogy, you know. Come on, bro. Come on.
tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Dead man walking. Dead man talking, you speaking your eulogy. Dead's in my pockets, they itching to kill for. I got the Celtic muff like Lil Bo. Don't got no motion and you bitches still broke. Pedal to the metal, I've been stepping with the steel toes. Death at the pad, no Brillo. Right at the table like Jada and Willow.
Spreading the table like Jada and Willow. And, you know, the Brillo pad. That's why he said pad with Brillo. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop it. Stop.
I got the Celtic muff like
Lil Bo.
Don't got no motion and you bitches still broke. To the metal, I've been stepping with the steel toes. With death at the pad, no Brillo. Right at the table like Jada and Willow. Bro trying to turn on me, get turned to a pack all 12. No, we turned to a miss. Left right down in addition, it's great full of piss with a couple of the burnt up chilies. Shaking a couple of the brinks on the rich side. How many lists get them rolled up quickest? Y'all knew dude had to go up on the flip side. Why would you think you would turn up different? I'm not.
Nigga, who you talking? This nigga talking. This nigga talking. I like the little I don't think it's a complete beat switch, but it's like the same patterns, but like I guess I don't know. I don't know exactly the term.
Down in addition, it's great full of piss with a couple of the burnt up chilies. Shit hit a couple of the brinks on the rich side. How many lists get them rolled up quickest? Y'all knew dude had to go up on the flip side. Why would you think you would turn up different? I'm not in need of your greedy spirit. I seen your true colors and you twist. Y'all sequins full of sequins, Brody. I be seeing through your BD vision. Now you stuck hating when you see me winning. Stuck with your circle, you CD spinning. Making rotten fruit when you branching off.
Y'all stuck in a circle. Y'all CD is playing. That's a caption. Yo, that is hard. Wow, that is hard. Hold on, I gotta run that back. Cause you twisted. Your deep vision. Winning. Oh my god.
When the reaper come, you don't care if you in a mansion or you hurt in the trenches. I ain't never been a perfect person, but I'm usually working for my personal interest. Throw away kinship, working on kingship. I'm royal flush, you stuck with triplets. Birds of a feather be flocking together. I'm past that color work above that wingtip.
This nigga talk. Why you talk? The great thing is I think you like what 17, 18, some shit like that, bro. You young, bro. This nigga is young. If this nigga could fucking spit like this, bro, this nigga is nice, bro. This nigga is nice. You know? He could fucking rap, bro.
Throw away kinship, working on kingship. I'm royal flush, you stuck with triplets. Birds of a feather be flocking together. I'm past that color work above that wingtip. Lost in the sauce, never mind my step. Drum for the knock and it sound like death. Scared of the thoughts.
Yo, this look is crazy, bro.
Heart for the throb and it sound like death. Fear and the doubt, get it out my head. Tossing my thoughts and it sound like death. Don't it just sound like?
That just sound like that. Yeah.
The rappers who did it before better people than me, and I'm not gon' cap. I'm not putting on none, y'all. Jit better stay where the fuck y'all at.
Nah. We gotta run that shit back. This nigga, hold on.
That shit sound like death. Ay, the rappers who did it before better people than me, and I'm not gon' cap. Cause I'm not putting on none, y'all. Jit better stay where the fuck y'all at. Twitter annoying me, doing like embroidery. Peep that thread, then I spun that cap. Lash out, went, tell him run that back. Gut turned in, better pump that pack. They track you on the scene, then try to ask you for a fee. Then try getting with your friends. That shit is laughable to me. Bro,
let me tell you something, bro. That's life at the end of the day, and at the end of the day, you know who's yours. You know the niggas who you fucking with. You got your friend circle. Don't let it be bigger than it is. I mean, obviously, if you meet somebody who is a genuine good person, that is very trustworthy and everything, then obviously invite them in your circle. But people at the end of the day is gonna do everything they can to try to take advantage of you, either for money, clout, anything, dog, anything, bro. Nowadays, a lot of people ain't genuine with their shit, so sad to say, but it is what it is, bro.
Pump that pack. They trash you on the scene, then try to ask you for a fee. Then try getting with your friends. That shit is laughable to me. Bro trying to test so I'm bursting this bubble, it didn't seem passable to me. Up in the grade and I move like jujutsu, a whole different classes on the scene. So, why does it sound like?
Why does it sound like death?
How does it sound like?
Does it sound like death?
Don't it shit sound like? Don't it shit sound like death? You know that shit sound like? Don't that shit sound like death?
Hey, what? Hey, what? Hey, what? Listen, these niggas be talking. Damn. I was gonna say some shit. Oh shit. You couldn't let it run like 10 more seconds, bro. Anyway, like as always, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. And yeah, a lot of people are fake, unfortunately. It is what it is. Niggas are fake, and it's like, it's so easy to spot them. It's so easy to see people's true colors, which is so like, I don't know. But anyway, my fault, bro. My fault, you guys. Thoughts on the song? Playlist, bro. It's instant playlist, nigga. First of all, that hook is crazy. Like I said, simple but effective. That just sound like that. Like, bro, catchy as hell. And then what he was saying, bro, like, he wasn't like, yo, he was just talking, bro. Besides barring, he would also, like, when he was saying a line, bro, it like is so intricate, and at the same time, like, some of his lines is so intricate, and also some of the way how he schemed as well. So good. This nigga, bro, and this nigga young, bro. This nigga's like 17, 18 years old. Mario, let me know, bro, if I'm like correct with your age, but this nigga's young, and this nigga knows how to rap, bro. So shout out to Mario as always. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below your thoughts on my reaction, your thoughts on Mario's song, instant playlist material. Excuse me. And yeah, my name is Skull. You guys have a good one. Stay safe and stay hydrated, y'all. Take care. Peace.